Right, so therefore now we have to solve for x in part C in quiz C number 1 in our example. F g of x is equal to 0. Find the solution of. Just to get some feedback and to just verify that persons are following, can somebody tell me how we can approach that question? What can I type here in that type equation here? What would you type? Anybody, any suggestion? It says solve for x if f g of x is equal to 0. So based on that, and based on what we have done prior, based on what we just did, I'm trying not to give out too much information. Oh, by the way, these are the steps for composing function. You can call that step number 1, the person that just joined in. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, and step number 4. Domain, range, clear, simplify. So anybody, what can I type here? So tell me what to type there. So you put 11x minus 3 because you're looking at that g of x, right? So the person say, there's one suggestion a student say, write 0 is equal to 11x minus 3. She says she's not not sure, but she put 11x minus 3 because she's seen g of x there. That's why she put 11x minus 3 is equal to 0, or 0 is equal to 11x minus 3. That's what she wrote. And she put 11x minus 3 because of g of x. So what I'm going to tell you now, you are partially correct, but you are fundamentally wrong again. You see that equals 0? The equal 0 have to stay. So you writing an equation, you correctly write an equation by putting equals 0, okay? But the left side have a problem. The left side have a problem. What do you think is the problem for the left side? The person who said that bravely contributed this suggestion. I'm telling you 11x, yes. What do you think? What do you think that should be there instead of 11x minus 3? The function of f, yeah, because remember when you look on the left side, is that 11x minus 3? Is that g of x alone you are seeing? Read what you see on the left. F of g of x, that's what you see in here. You're seeing f of g of x. That's one thing. You are not seeing g of x, you are seeing f of g of x. You are seeing f of g of x. F of g of x, you are seeing f of g of x. So what to write there? Nine open brackets. So she's saying no, f of g of x is supposed to be 9 open bracket, continue, 11x minus 3 close bracket, minus 2. Exactly, that is f g of x. All right, so you read what you see, you see f g of x. Okay, and f g of x is a composite function, is 9 because g went into f. But don't you notice, look at that, isn't that there it is, look at there. We found what is f g of x already. Yes or no? So is it necessary to repeat the process again? No. But you are correct. You are correct by recognizing is a composite function you have to put there. It just so happened we did it already. Okay, so we can still do it again. Okay, we can still do it again, and we are going to get 99x minus 29. After we clear the brackets and simplify, we're going to get 99x minus 29 equals 0. All right, so please take note of that. Is fg of x, and that's how you find fg of x. It so happened we did it already, and here it is, but you are very correct by actually doing it again. Okay, and then we solve for x. All right, of course, this is easy peasy. All right, 29, you carry the 29 as 29 across, and then you divide by 99. Okay, we divide by 99. All right, so basically that's what you do for number 1, part C in the quiz. Part C. All right, so we are going to divide by 99 to cancel out 99 from the left side. X is equal to 29 over 99 in our example.